everybody, and welcome to my channel. Before I go through these two cupcake doilies with y'all, I've got some very exciting news. Yesterday we welcomed my granddaughter Sage Marie. They named her after me and I had no idea. It was a surprise until she came into the world yesterday. And I am so in love, and she is so perfect and she's so beautiful. So if I can't get the words out during the video, it's because I'm tired she was in the hospital in labor for 3 days. So from being worried and on cloud 9 now, I am just in love with this baby and I'm so excited. All right, let's see what I've got going on here. We're going to go with this one first. These are similar but not identical, and I'm calling them Shabby Rose Cupcake Doilies. So if you go to my Etsy channel, if you want one, you go to my Etsy shop. That's what you look for. I'm going to leave the link to my shop in the description, and if they're still there and you want to purchase one, that's where they will be. All right, so let's start with this dangle. Yeah, I wanted to show y'all a close-up of the little, it looks like a little teeny tiny rose inside the bead. It's not, but it looks like it, and I think it's so pretty. And look at this pink sugar-coated bead here. Not really sugar-coated, but it looks pink sugar-coated. And of course the jump ring, which is removable, and this lobster claw, which is removable, but the jump ring is lined with lace. And then we've got the dangle and another rose bead, and I've got a bunch of star sequins all throughout, and a little tiny bows with pearls, and it's just so cute. The front is a shabby flower that I made to set on there, and then I filled in all around it with lace, with fabrics, with doilies, with just goodies, flowers. Y'all, it is overflowing. I am not even kidding. So pretty. The reason why y'all have been seeing so many cupcake doilies late from me is because I've been having them requested. And I made one of these earlier for someone that requested one, and I loved it so much. I thought I need to make a line of them. This one, the other one that I made already has a home, and these two that I'm showing y'all today are all similar but not identical, and I'm calling them Shabby Rose Cupcake Doily, and they're just gorgeous. This on the front is an antique brooch, and the rhinestones on them, the pink rhinestones, look impeccable. They are still sparkly, just gorgeous. I've had it for quite a while, and I was waiting for the perfect project, and I thought this was it. I'll let y'all look at that for just a second, because it is truly a gorgeous sight to behold. Over here, up underneath this fussy cut rose, got some sequin flowers, a bunch of lace, doilies, fabric, you name it. I've got a little green leaf here. It's like a shabby green. It's very pretty, very, very delicate looking. And a bunch of dangles down here. Some ribbon, sparkly, shimmery ribbon. Over here, we've got another fussy cut rose with the cutest rhinestone bow. How cute is that? Again, just filled with a bunch of doilies, lace, fabrics, too much to list. Another cute little piece of ribbon, more dangles, a pearl, I love that. And here, oh, you know what, I will glue that down. Let me go ahead and add just a little tiny bit of glue. So I don't want that, it wasn't coming up till just now. Let me add just a touch of glue so that doesn't happen. All right, well, this fussy cut rose is on top of a piece of sequin fabric. Can y'all tell that those are like iridescent, opaque Just a ton of iridescent opaque sequins and a piece of shimmery ribbon fabric here. And I think it is just perfection. Gorgeous. Over here, we've got some red and pink roses, and y'all, look at this iridescent sequin pearl applique. So pretty. More dangles, ribbon, lace, doilies. Beautiful, beautiful. And y'all know I always do the back up really pretty, because the back should be just as pretty as everything else. I like for the back to be special, and this is. With this cream colored rose, pearl and rhinestone center, with a yellow pink skirt trimmed with pearls on this beautiful piece of fabric, and of course a doily. I think it is gorgeous, and it is already in my Etsy shop. All right, the second one is bigger, both in width and height. Okay. Similar, but not exact. So let's start over here on this lace-lined wrapped jump ring, removable lobster claw with a pearl and a bigger pearl here. And over here is where I put the rhinestone bow. How cute is that? I just love it. Love it. A bunch of torn fabrics and laces and some antique laces over here on the dangle. Got a really beautiful pink brooch on top of this shabby flower. And again, just like the other one, I filled this shabby flower in with rose petals, doilies, fabrics, laces, dangles. Hear my dogs barking. Just to let y'all get that side view. Yeah, y'all see the pearls. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. Here's the first panel. The really pretty pearl and rhinestones gold piece of jewelry there with fabrics, cheesecloth. I think that is just gorgeous. All right, come on, phone, stop. Gorgeous, gorgeous cream colored dangles. I love it. Over here, some more of those beautiful roses backed with the lace and the doilies. This time I've got some silver, cannot think of them, silver sequin piece of fabric with a little tiny piece of fabric that I printed out on here that I've kind of grunged up. I think it's so pretty. And this really, really unique piece of lace coming out of here. And a little bit of string of hot glue. Got this tea-dyed flowers coming out up underneath as dangles. I thought that was just really pretty. I love it. I love it. And here, tucked in here, is some sequin flowers. See, it's not just, there's just layers, depth and layers. I love it. Over here, got some more of the sequin flowers. And again, just this really unique lace coming up at the top and the bottom that I thought was just perfect for this. Made some ribbon fabric here. More doilies. So pretty. Got some roughly iridescent pink here. And over here, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but there are iridescent sequins on this piece of lace. It's an applique, and that was meant. That was meant for that right there. And here is a really unique piece of lace that I had that I cut into numerous pieces and edged it layered it around to make it look like a flower. And I think it's just gorgeous. And I don't think y'all are ready for the back. It is so pretty. It is so, so pretty. Y'all look at that. All of the pearls just hanging off, and from the front, you get a tiny little hint of it right there. Pearl flowers, cheesecloth, that beautiful silky rose with the pearl and rhinestone center. Got some round pieces with pearls, some more silky flowers with pearls. It's gorgeous. It is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeousness. So I've had a couple of people ask, well, what are they for? What do you use them for? And I've had clients tell me that they set them out on their end table or their coffee table as eye candy. Is just something really beautiful to have sitting out, to see, to look at, to look through, like people used to do with magazines a long time ago. And now it's with these cupcake doilies. I actually have mine, and I only have one. I've only ever made myself one. And I have it hanging from a fabric rack that I have. I have really beautiful antique napkins and table runner and stuff like that hanging over this fabric rack. I don't know of anything else to call it. I showed it when I got it from the thrift store, the fabric rack. I showed it a long time ago in a thrifting video, and I ended up painting it, and I hang all of the napkins over it, and then I hang my cupcake doily from one of the arms like that, and it just hangs there with all of these beautiful napkins and pieces of fabric and table runner, and it's just so pretty. It just brings a little something extra to that area, and I love it. I apologize for how many times my phone has gone off. I don't know what's up, but I do need to look at that. And thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do want to purchase either one or both, the link will be down in my description. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.